Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno phone guys factory reset setting, how to factory reset Tecno mobile and then how to erase all data on Tecno mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Tecno phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. System setting friends, tap here. Friends, you want to change, you want to add language, you can add language from here, click here, and you can change your phone language from here. Friends, date and time setting is here, backup setting is here, schedule power on off, restart time is here. Friends, click here reset option, and once you want to reset, you want to solve your mobile network problem, example Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth network problem. Friends, you have click here reset, again click here, and you can fix your network problem. Friends, click here erase all data factory reset, and friends you want to erase all data on your device. So friends, you can see this notification, this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage including your Google account, system app, data and setting, download apps, music, photos, other user data. So guys, you want to erase, you want to delete everything on your device, so you can delete from here, means you can factory reset from here. And before erase all data, first of all guys, file transfer your photos, videos, your apps, your documents. So once you have guys your Google file, and once you have your share me app, share karo light app, so you can use. Once click on share option, send guys your photos, app and data, and you can after send guys, after file transfer, you want to erase all data on your device. Friends, click here and you can erase it. Friends, I don't want to erase, you want to erase, so guys click here erase all data option, and guys you can erase from here, you can factory reset your Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.